Welcome to NG Fishing. So you join me on the bank. Today we're going to use this ground bait from peg number 1. It's the Mayhem Green Mix. So we'll start off by mixing it up. So it is really cold today, guys. The sun's coming out, but you can see my breath. You can see how cold it is. So we're going to just make 2 pints of ground bait up. It's a really good way of doing it, guys, is to use a tub. As you know, you've got plenty. So just have a look at this mix. Nice green colour. Smells really nice. It's a pellet. There's a lot of pellet in it. It's an ultimate betaine pellet based ground bait. So it's got crushed up betaine pellets in there. All sorts of some little black sort of pellets in there. A really nice smelling mix. So yeah, I've got 2 pints in there. I'm gonna add some water to it. If you've never made mixed ground bait up before, a little bit of water. Just mix it in. Oh, that lake water is cold. It's a really nice smelling mix this. I think this is going to get us some fish today. You just want to go a little bit over building sand mix, really. So there you go, that's taking on the water nicely. So that there is just a bit too wet, but we'll put that to one side. That's had a good mix through. We'll put that to one side. Get the rest of the kit ready. Let that settle, and then we'll chuck it through a riddle. So I'll be back with you in a bit. So I'm pretty much set up now. Still left the ground bait, but you've still got time. You still want to leave that ground bait. So one of the things that I like to do then is now find my spot. So I've got my rod. For those of you who are interested, I use a 9-foot Tyson Preston rod. This is a 5,000 sonic reel, loaded with 6-pound Preston feeder. Well, this is actually the Quorum feeder line. Really good. It sinks really well. And then I use the ICS system from Preston. I also buy the longer stems. I think they just cast better. So what I like to do is I'll just put a little Preston bomb on to start with, make a couple of casts, get my spot where I'm going to clip up to, and then we'll have a look at the ground bait. Okay, so our ground bait has been rested. Just taking on that water, but it's a little bit clumpy. You can see that on the camera, it's a bit chunky. So go for a riddle now. Do is I'll chuck it all in this bait tub to start with. And then I'll just show you now. You get your riddle, put ground bait on there. There's more important this time of year for me, because you don't want any big lumps of ground bait sitting on that feeder. You want it all to come out, be nice fine particles, because like I said, it's cold. We're near the back end of January, and we just want enough feed. We want to pick up the hook bait, we don't want them to get over occupied it. And look at that mix now. Lovely fluffy mix, perfect to go around a method. So stick it on the box, stick it around a feeder, let's see if we can get some fish. There we go guys, carp number 5 taken on the ground bait. Great morning's fishing, show you, there it goes. Great morning's fishing. If you've got any questions about the ground bait, pop them in the comments below. Check out the links below where you can get it from as well. Until the next time, enjoy your fishing.